Make your own seed tape. The materials you need are paper towels, packets of seeds, a ruler, a pencil, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons water, a small bowl, a fork, food coloring, which is optional, a small paintbrush or cotton swab, resealable plastic bags, and a permanent marker. Cut one paper towel section into equal strips about 3 inches wide. Fold each strip lengthwise, make a crease, then open the paper towel flat. Select one type of seed for each seed tape you would like to make. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for how far apart seeds should be planted. Then, using a ruler, draw a mark on the fold of the paper towel showing how far apart to place the seeds. In this case, it was 1 inch. Mix 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir well and mix it up. Then add 1 drop of food coloring and blend that together to make a paste that's about as thick as pancake batter. Put a dab of the mixture on each of the marks on the paper towel. The food coloring will make it much easier to see those little dabs of the mixture on your towel. Next, drop 3 to 4 seeds on each dab of the mixture. Sometimes the seeds are so tiny that they can be very hard to place exactly, but get it as close as you can. Then, fold the paper towel and let it dry. Write the name of the seed on a resealable plastic bag. This will keep your seeds nice and dry. Fold over your paper towel with the seeds in it and place in a resealable plastic bag until you're ready to plant. Plant your seed tape. The materials you need for this are potting soil, a container, a spray bottle or watering can, and of course your seed tape. Now remember, you can also plant your seed tape in your garden. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for how deep to plant the seed tape, and follow the instructions on the packet for how far apart to space each row of seeds. Lay your seed tape out on the soil and sprinkle it with water so that it's extremely wet. Then take extra soil and sprinkle the soil over the seed tape until it's totally covered, making sure it's as deep as required on your seed packet. Then sprinkle the water gently over the soil until it's moist and keep it that way. Wait for your seeds to grow.